Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Teresa and today I just got my haul from Bath and Body Works when they did that $5.95. It was like a flash sale and they only included body washes and lotions, and I have a very small haul to share with you guys, but I do want to give you guys my first impressions on two new products. The Restore Magnesium, it's in that golden cherry scent. My body wash is actually leaking. And you know what? I seen in another video, I watched it this morning and hers leaked too. And I remember she was kind of upset about it because it got all over the place. And like, why isn't this sealed? Like, their other washes come. So I'm going to step off real quick, clean this up, and I want to wash my hands with this, and I'll be right back. But if you're new to my channel, I would love for you to subscribe and keep on watching. Okay, I'm back. I cleaned it off. I tried it out, and I really do enjoy this formula. I think it's really nice, and I've never had anything in this type of packaging from Bath and Body Works before, and I really do enjoy this. Although I wish they did put like a plastic seal on it for shipping so it didn't leak, but I didn't lose that much product. So I only got the lotion and the body wash and the Restore Magnesium, and this one has notes. It says it's woody and warm cherry, and it says for the lotion, it says all day lightweight hydration helps restore moisture to the skin, while magnesium helps condition the skin. Pair with other restore products to create the perfect restorative nighttime self-care routine. So I really like the idea that they included magnesium in this. And I didn't get the mist. It does come with a perfume mist as well in this collection. I want to say there's like a body butter as well. There's different pieces in the collection because I didn't get, because these were the ones that were on sale for $5.95. And I did smell this. I'm going to put the lotion on. So I love the formula. Like, the formula is beautiful. It's just like the other products from the ingredient lead line, like the wellness collection. So the scent isn't what I was exactly imagining. Like, when I think golden cherry, I'm thinking sweet cherry, sweetheart cherry, or oat cherry, or perfect in pink. It's not that. This is more like a cherry blossom. It's very perfumey. I wouldn't say it was necessarily woody. Like, I'm sure there's woody notes in here, but I'm getting a very like fragrance, perfumey scent. Um like I pulled out my cherry blossom. This is dewy watermelon, red plum, cherry blossom, sheer freesia, and sandalwood. I mean, they're not the same. They're definitely different. I wouldn't say they're dupes of each other, but I would say they're in the same family. So it's, you're not going to get that sweet gourmand cherry or like syrupy sweet. It's definitely a heavy perfumed cherry. Another one it made me think of is Bombshell Intense. I know this has a cherry note in here, but it's not like a sweet syrupy cherry. I mean, this is way better. It's definitely similar. So if you smelled this or cherry blossom, it's kind of giving those vibes, but they're not dupes. I want to make that very clear. They're definitely different. So if I knew what this smelled like ahead of time, I don't think I would have got the lotion or the body wash. I don't think it's a terrible scent, and I don't hate it. It's just not as good as I thought it would be. For my preference, what I like, it's too perfumey for me. But I'm definitely curious to get the mist though. I do collect all the mists, and I definitely want to get my hands on that to see if it differs from the lotion and the wash, but these two do smell the same. And at the time when I ordered, the mist wasn't on sale, and I didn't have any free rewards because the mist is $16.95 reward eligible. Now I have a free reward in my account, so I'm just going to wait until it goes in store because currently it's an online preview only. And the last piece I picked up in my online order is a Sweetheart Cherry body wash. I am almost done with my body wash that I bought last year, and I did want to get another one because I love this scent. This is a sweet, syrupy, like cherry pistachio scent, much different than this. This is wild cherry crushed pistachio with vanilla. And I really enjoy the Valentine's packaging that they did this year. I know some people don't like it because they said it's AI and they just don't like how it looks, but I think it's cute. I don't know. I enjoy it. But this is my quick little haul. I just wanted to let you guys know what I think about the wash and the body lotion. Like the formula A plus, wonderful formula. And it is something you do use at nighttime to help you sleep. With the magnesium, I know it helps with like restless legs or aches and pains, stuff like that. So I do enjoy that it has that. I just wish, for my personal preference, I wish it had more like sweet cherry, in my opinion, but it's fine. Like, it's not a terrible scent, and I'm sure there's going to be people who like it. For me, it's just, I don't know, too perfumey, too much like a cherry blossom type scent, which I honestly am not a huge fan of cherry blossom, any cherry blossom. I just don't like how that like scent DNA. But anyways, that is it for today's video. I think thank you guys so much for watching. If you happen to pick these up or the mist, definitely let me know what you think of them down below because I know we all have like different thoughts and opinions on scents. So I'm curious to see what you guys think. But anyways, like I said, that is it. I'll see you guys later. All right, bye.